Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's usually a matter of supply and demand. If this is the case for a car you really want, you should consider just paying the sticker price and moving on with your life. Sticker price refers to the price displayed on a car's window or Monroney sticker. It's also called manufacturer's suggested retail price (MSRP).
Let's help you make your mark.
A new car's MSRP is usually displayed on a sticker, hence the term sticker price, which you might hear instead of MSRP. However, car dealerships are not like traditional stores. The MSRP is not the final price. In fact, according to newcars.com, MSRP is usually the starting point for your negotiations. 22 April 2020.
Take our lead.
10% off MSRP is probably what most users on this forum getting a good deal end up achieving. Having said that, you should probably start with asking for 12% so you can ideally get 10% or maybe more. 9 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.